Going out today to drop off a vehicle, and I'm following him over there, and then as I'm dropping off the vehicle, the owner of the mechanic shop said his garage door doesn't work. So I'll be going and fixing his door while he's tuning up my car, doing a couple things to it. And like I tell you people, wherever you go, people need garage door service. My mechanic actually, he might need a new door, he said. I'm gonna go over and try to fix it for him while I'm there. And I got my son following me in my car, and then we're gonna go do that. I have another call right after that too, in another city though. So I'll be filming both of them today. I will get back to you when we get to the job. All right, talk at you. We're just getting to the job. It's a tight fit to get in here. It's right in these blue gates here. That's the door right there. How you doing?
Not bad, how are you?
Good.
This guy should be on there.
Yeah. You guys didn't hit it or anything?
I have not noticed it until my wife pointed it out. I don't think so. We do have a teenage driver in the house, so you never know. But
Yeah, because they don't just come out. So
yeah,
because they're actually bigger. The rollers are bigger than the track, so you
Yeah.
you have to force it to come out.
yeah.
And if it got caught up, I would say it got caught up. A lot of people pull in and they have a hatchback. They open it, the door will come down a little bit, and then the top of the hatchback will hit it. I'm not saying that's what you did, but
We do have a.
on those you'd notice it too. It doesn't look like you have any damage. So,
Yeah.
but I mean, I don't know how that could have gotten off. You want me to just service the door while I'm here? That way you don't waste your money on me just doing that. $349 to service the door. Probably $229 or something like that.
Okay, and the service is another
$349. No.
Oh, that's
Then that'll
service,
be
so
everything.
you
Yeah.
just top up the.
Yeah, that'll be everything.
Yeah. Okay. Yeah. Let's do that.
That way you can go over other
Yeah,
things
yeah,
too. They don't just fall off.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Yes,
so-
I agree. So that would be weird.
These ones, the weight of the door is actually on the
Right,
roller,
right.
so you can't pull it out. It's
Right.
like impossible.
It sounds like a little bent there, though, maybe.
Yeah, that's what I said. It looks,
Yeah.
something looks bent there. But it could be because of the weight of the door. It might put pressure differently on it. So once I straighten it all out, and then I'll lube everything, make sure everything
Okay.
goes smoothly.
Awesome.
Okay, I'll go ahead and get started.
All right, I'll be upstairs if you need me.
Okay, okay, thanks. Okay, got that roller back in. Roller was off. Yeah, this cable looks like it's not on. Okay, let's. Seven 3/8. So you want that side to drop. So we're gonna do a thing called mustaching the door. You see on the bottom here, see the light coming through under there? See that it's sitting not even in the track. I'm mustaching the door so this side drops. See what I'm gonna do over here is I'm gonna lower this down like so. I'm gonna move the back of this track. So I'm gonna go at one. And now what we do, open the door. Oh my God, one more. Okay. Okay. At WD. I'm basically just lubing the door now. Okay. Now, clean the wall button. That way they feel like you got a new car. I can do. Okay, pretty much done with the service. Everything's running good, and just gotta get payment now. You can be too. Okay, I'm all done putting away my tools. Do I look like I worked hard? Come on. 10 minutes. All right.
All right, awesome. Thank you so much.
Thank you. All right. Okay, $3.49 for that. Took all of about 15 minutes. Now I'm going to the next one. We're on Mission, 24th and Mission. People get shot all the time. I remember driving my Coke truck down the street. See that fruit stand? My dad got Tony and Lucy a fruit stand like that. And then they saved up all their money and then they got into the hardware business. Check out these burritos. This is what you do after you make a little bit of money. You go get good food. These burritos, I've been eating them since I was a kid. And I used to say they're just like a bag of soup. I mean, they got the best ingredients in there. It's not like a dry burrito, and they're incredible. So, when you're doing jobs, just remember the bag of soup right here. Oh my God, that is incredible. Look how many doors are here. There's doors back there. There's 2 doors here. Look over there. There's doors over there. 3 more doors here. There's doors everywhere. Everyone's got doors. They all break. You guys should get in this business. If you're living in a deserted city with no work, you're gonna be a bum with no teeth. What you do is get into a big city. You can make $10 million a year easily doing this business. If you hire people and they're out all day doing repairs, you can make so much money. You'll be getting like thousands every hour. Will be pouring at you every day. You'll be doing that in cities like this. People all over here all day long, every day they call you. So anyway, don't forget to hate and subscribe, or don't forget to like and subscribe, and we'll see you on the next video. Later. Over and out. GarageDoorTrainingSchool.com. Our school's proven. We're going to get you into business. We'll see you in the class. If you guys want to get into this business, we have a free lesson for you below. Just click below, watch the free lesson. We'll see you in the course.